this video example, we're going to cover creating a store locator in Shopify using MetaLocator. To get started, visit the Shopify App Store, find the MetaLocator Store Locator software app, and click Get. Shopify will prompt you for some permissions to install the MetaLocator software into your Shopify website. Click the blue Install App button to proceed. That will install the MetaLocator app, and MetaLocator will prompt you to configure the software. The first step in creating a store locator is adding your location data. Click Continue at the prompt. In this example, we're going to be importing locations. You can also import persons, events, or other types of data. Since we're creating a store locator, we'll be importing locations. You can import data from a spreadsheet. You can add stores one by one. You can even pull them in from Salesforce. In this example, we're going to be importing data as a spreadsheet in bulk. If you're not sure what to import, click on the Download a Sample Spreadsheet link just below this list of options. I'll click CSV Spreadsheet to continue, and I'll choose the file from my computer that I'll be importing. In this case, I'll just take a sample file. MetaLocator will import the data. I'll just click Next. Leave this option at the default and click Next. And MetaLocator will import my data. I imported data that included address information, but it didn't include latitude and longitude, and so that data needs to be geocoded so it can be plotted on a map. MetaLocator noticed this and let me know that geocoding is needed, and so I just click Continue. I can click Start Geocoding in the upper right, and MetaLocator will assign a latitude and longitude to each one of my locations. This only needs to be done once. The geocoding is complete and all data has been saved, so I can continue. The next step in the process is actually to create the store locator that we'll install on our Shopify website. In MetaLocator, this is called an interface. I'll click the green Continue button on the prompt to create a new interface. In this video, I'm going to choose from one of the pre-configured templates. You can browse the various templates that are available, or you can choose the default settings. In this example, I'm going to choose the Sleek Design template. That will create a copy of that interface in my account, and I can review some of the settings. I can even preview what the store locator will look like by clicking Preview. In this example, I'm just going to click Save and Close to accept the defaults. Now that I have my interface created, the next step is to install it into my Shopify website. By clicking Install, MetaLocator will create a page in my Shopify website called Locator, onto which it will install the interface we've just created. So I'll click Install. A dialog box will warn me of the same, and I'll just click Continue. MetaLocator has created a page within my Shopify website called Locator. I can see that my store locator fits very well on this page, and I can choose to modify the layout above and below as necessary. If I want to modify any of the settings particular to the locator, I can simply return to the MetaLocator Store Locator app and modify the interface settings as necessary. MetaLocator has over 300 options for each interface. We won't cover each one, but feel free to explore and experiment with the various interfaces. You only have to install the interface to Shopify once. After that, you can modify or manage your settings and data completely from the MetaLocator app. The next step is optional and allows you to create SEO optimized versions of every location that's in the database. Let's continue on that step by clicking Next. Notice it lists our new interface, the sleek design template, and its status is not generated. MetaLocator will generate a static SEO optimized landing page for every location in the database. So in this example, we've imported just a handful of locations. MetaLocator will be creating, in this example, 6 location landing pages, one for each location. So I can click Generate to create those pages. It'll let us know that landing pages are being built. Most landing page generation processes complete within just a few seconds. I'll click OK. Notice it's already completed. Let's go back to Shopify and look at what sort of pages have been created in our online store. Notice that we have one SEO optimized landing page for each location. In order to modify the template that was used to create these pages, you can manage your interface settings open up the Template Settings group, and the Detail Page Item template contains all the fields in HTML that were used to generate each of these landing pages. That completes the onboarding wizard for creating a store locator with MetaLocator in Shopify. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to MetaLocator's help desk by clicking the blue support button in the lower right-hand corner of every window. Thanks.